Number 35. Miranda received a movie gift card for $100 to her local theater. Matinee tickets cost $7.50 each, and evening tickets cost $12.50 each. If X represents the number of matinee tickets she could purchase and Y represents the number of evening tickets she could purchase, write an inequality that represents all the possible ways Miranda could spend her gift card on movies at the theater. All right, so our goal is going to be to write an inequality. Notice how they say just one inequality, right? And we are going to let X equal the number of matinee tickets. Let Y equal the number of evening tickets. And let's write an equation that represents all the possible ways Miranda could spend her gift card. So $100 is going to be the total amount of money. And the amount that she spends has to be less than or equal to that gift card, right? You can't go over the amount of your gift card if you're spending money from it. So she could buy X number of matinee tickets for $7.50 each, and she can buy Y number of evening tickets for $12.50 each. So that would be my inequality. Now we're going to graph this inequality on the set of axes below. So what you're going to want to do to graph this is go to your calculator, and we're going to want to delete the equal sign and graph this in relation mode, which is exactly what I did over here. So once I have this graphed in relation mode, I'm going to get some points from the graph onto my graph. So I've got 0, 8. And then I've got 5, 5. Ten, 2. And 13.3 comma 0 as my x-intercept. So somewhere around right there. So you're going to go ahead and look at your inequality. It is less than or equal to, therefore I'm going to use a solid line. Oops, sorry. Get a little better looking. Why is it so wiggly? Sorry. Maybe if I make it a little bigger, it won't be so wiggly. Okay. And then if it's less than or equal to, I'm going to shade down from the line. Shade down. And then I'm going to label my inequality. And I'm going to just put that right here. I have my inequality all graphed. Perfect. Then it says, what is the maximum number of matinee tickets Miranda could purchase with her gift card? Explain your answer. So I need to state the maximum number of matinee tickets, and then I need to explain. So let's go ahead and look at the axes, right? The y-axis is talking about the number of evening tickets, and then the x-axis is talking about the number of matinee tickets. So I'm going to look on the x-axis and see what the largest possible number of matinee tickets I could buy were. I remember this point here was 13.3 comma 0. I can't buy 13.3 tickets, so I'm going to have to buy 13 tickets. That's the maximum number of tickets I can buy. They're not going to let me buy a third of a ticket. So the maximum number of matinee tickets that I can buy is 13. Okay, so I've stated my answer, and then now let me explain. I'm going to say because 13 is the largest integer x value in the solution set.